A place where you can run free. Time does not exist. Take a chance when the road before us falls under our face. I can't hold on. I can't remain so strong. We have the same old bond, but everything is wrong. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone. My love is gone, but I've been born. I can't make it on my own. When I'm alone, my love is gone.
Everyone is leaving, so good morning, day 2. So I'm leaving from Kanyakumari, so my bike is getting warmed up, so do other bikes. So Karthik has appeared, he's come in by his car, so time to head back. So folks, this is the lineup, so just arranging one by one by one. So this is the lineup we have. Stopped near entrance of Kodaikanal. Kodaikanal is about good 70 to 80 kilometers. Took about good 30-minute break even before we head out to the Christie's, and probably time to fuel up as well. Alright guys, I think I'm going inside the city. This is actually slightly more traffic than the usual ones because I remember I had come to Kodai from Ooty, so that was slightly a different road, or I'm not sure this is the same road but just added off more traffic. There's definitely a lot of traffic. Let's check out. Did you see that guy giving full of chamak? Why did the other person go there? So this is the starting of Kodai, beginning now. Are you guys ready? It says about 53 kilometers, but interestingly it's about 1 hour 50 minutes. That's definitely quite some time. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? Boys, come on, get up. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಇವಾಗ.
ಅವನೇನು ಕೇರೆ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಗುರು, ಯಾರು ಇದ್ರು ಏನು ಅಂತ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತು. ಹೇಗೋ ವಾಟ್ಸಾಪ್ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನನಗೆ ವ್ಲಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಗುಡ್ಡೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. So this is the place we were here and we spent about good 60 minutes, and please ignore my voice, peace. So this is where we stayed, and this is a small viewpoint while you're climbing towards Kodaikanal. 31 kilometers more. Man, it's super cold but I'm loving it. This is going to be an amazing video for my new reels or something, which if I try it out, looks solid. If you have car, you can aram se push blindly. ABS works especially in these sorts of conditions where there is a little bit of skiddy mud. People with high beam will get irritated because of the lights that we have. It's a really good. Did you see that asshole, how close he was? How does the night looks in Kodaikanal? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಓಡಿಸಿ, no problem. So Tilak wants me to ride his bike. So this is Tilak's bike, as I said, made some modifications. He has made a lot of modifications. We will let you know a little later. Huge difference, but definitely noticeable. And I really like the back part, which gives that extra lumbar support. Let's see if it stalls. This actually feels there's a bunch of difference inside this, you can easily notice. But because of this windscreen, I feel a little more heavy. This would interrupt in between, but please ignore if it is interrupting. It's not going to be for longer distance, very short time. So hey guys, welcome back. So I reached Kodaikanal. So the GoPro angle that you saw, I think it got lost in between and the battery was over. It was completely dead dark. So I reached here. So the place that I'm staying is called Pierce Garden Bungalow. So that is what it is called. And I'm going to showcase you how the place would look like, and kindly ignore the dog noise behind. And I'll just walk you from outside directly. So this is the place, and we had to do a bit of off-roading while we came. So this is the road we came actually. I'm quite sure that you guys can't see anything, but it was like pretty steep. And this is the place that we are resting tonight. And like you are seeing, so this is the entrance, and there's one bungalow towards the left hand side, and the one that is there on the right hand side is our bungalow. So this is the place that we are staying. And also, just to add on top, the bikes are here. So the bikes are on my left, all the bikes are there. So there are two bikes that has gone out to get some stuff from outside, and the other car is here. So that's the lineup. And this is the bungalow, and this is the thing. So now that you guys saw what I'm up to, and this is like an exactly opposite climate when compared to Kanyakumari, because there it was like completely scorching heat, and here it is chilling cold. That's a good jargon, by the way. So yeah, so that's how it is, and completely dark and pitch dark here. let's go above and see what the folks are up to. Let me go and talk to them and see how they're feeling and how they are excited about the place as well. So let me take you through the steps as well, so you'll get some context about what I'm doing. This is the steps. Let me run fast. Oh, bad thing, I would have got slipped. So there's another one here, but this is not ours. So there's another place. Pretty cool. If you guys are visiting, please do consider visiting here. From the top would look like. And yeah, the place, this and the top is where we are staying. So let's go check out what folks are doing, and kindly ignore the clothes because we are come from bike. So people are quite exhausted. So here, no one is there. But this is one of the room. This is the dressing table. And here comes a newbie. Him Esro? Introduce Markoli. Santosh. He's actually Sanjeev's friend. So going inside, and other folks. We have Mohan busy on his phone, but it's alright. So this is his room. This is another room. I'll just check if Tilak is around. So Tilak is here, sleeping. So he's busy editing photos, posting. What does the post see? Sanjay and Deepa has gone out, so only few are here. So let's figure out what the folks are doing. So this is another place that I was saying. So boys are full seriously watching something. So Mr. Coach is here. Mr. Govind, what are you doing? Hang enjoy ride, please. Shameless, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು
too hot now, too cold. It's a good change.
Sudden ಆಗಿ ಬಿಸಿಲಿಂದ ಚಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, so it will take some time to get it adjusted.
The best part I think was riding from Kodaikanal to up the hill.
Yeah,
so that was really good.
It was great. 41 kilometers.
50 to airpin cows.
50 to airpin cows was really nice.
Wait for the recording. We'll try to put the.
Coach.
He was saying he missed my K. He said then he added Karthik. I don't know who's that K.
Get someone as a pillion. Our name was K. Starts from K. Oh, probably. Oh, you were someone else. There is a lot of Ks.
Oh. 100% ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಪಕ್ಕಾ
ಕೆ ಕಡು ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್.
ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಇವಾಗ? ನಾನೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ?
ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಲಿ.
What are you doing, Santo? So looks like this guy has got COVID is what we are suspecting. But the fucker, the biggest problem is ಇವನಿಗೆ ಬರೋದಲ್ದೆ 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೂ ಬರೆಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇವಾಗ.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
ಏನು ಕೋವಿಡ್ನ